The EMTOP 20-volt lithium-ion brushless angle grinder cutoff tool. Brand new 20-volt brushless motor technology provide. The brushless motor double the service time, and the cutting efficiency increases 50%. The supercooling duct enhance the service time of the machine. The lithium-ion battery can be applied to all 100+ products of P20S platform and provide longer use time. Long battery life gives you the possibility to complete more work. 2 speeds mode provide. Low speed mode suitable for fine polishing and high speed mode suitable for cutting. Power off protection function under abnormal power off conditions. Ensure the machine will not restart once repower on. The safety is guaranteed. And equipped with a dust-proof net to prevent dust. Up to 39 cuts of steel rod per charge. This is EMTOP 20-volt lithium-ion brushless angle grinder, part of P20S platform.